Anong chine-check nyo para maganda ang isang project? Learn to read white paper. Kung tamad kayo mag-white paper, makinig kayo kay coach. Whenever you are thinking of a project, you need to remember this Kapag ang isang project namigay ng airdrops, iisipin nyo lagi saan galing yung pera na yon. Okay? So let's say, in the tokenomics, 10% goes to the community for airdrops, 10% for treasury, 10%, you need to understand saan pupunta yung pera nila. For example, kung ako ay may 1 million pesos, 100,000 pesos, 10% goes to airdrops, okay? Airdrops, okay? And then, pang marketing, pang hype, from KOL round, from VC, etc. I need to understand that. Kung ako ay may ilalabas na pera, isipin nyo lagi, where am I going to get that money that I gave to you? You need to remember, wala pong investor na namigay lang ng pera at kumita ng malaki. They always need to think saan nila